Part 1 Morning Routine. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am fine too.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you brush your teeth in the morning?
Yes, I brush my teeth every morning.
Me too. After that, I wash my face.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Sometimes I do. Do you?
Yes, I always take a shower.
That is healthy.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
I eat rice and vegetables.
Do you drink tea?
No, I drink coffee.
I drink tea every morning.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I read the news.
I listen to music.
Music is nice in the morning.
Yes, it gives me energy.
What time do you leave home?
I leave at 8 o'clock.
I also leave at 8.
Do you go by bus?
No, I go by bicycle.
Part 2 At school or work. Hello, how is work today?
Work is busy, but good.
Do you like your work?
Yes, I like it.
What do you do at work?
I write emails and make calls.
That sounds important.
Yes, sometimes it is difficult.
Do you work with many people?
Yes, I have good coworkers.
That is nice. Teamwork is good.
Yes, it makes work easier.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 o'clock.
I start at 8 o'clock.
What time do you finish?
I finish at 4 o'clock.
I finish at 5 o'clock.
Do you eat lunch at work?
Yes, I eat lunch with my friends.
What do you eat?
I eat rice and chicken.
I eat a sandwich.
Do you drink juice?
No, I drink water.
Water is healthy.
Yes, I drink water every day.
Do you take a break at work?
Yes, I take a short break.
Me too. It helps me relax.
Part 3 Shopping. Hello, where are you going?
I am going to the supermarket.
What will you buy?
I will buy rice and milk.
I also need milk.
Do you want to come with me?
Yes, let's go together.
Do you need bread?
Yes, I need bread.
I also need some fruit.
Which fruit do you like?
I like apples and bananas.
I like oranges.
Do you want to buy some meat?
Yes, I need chicken.
I will buy some fish.
How much is the milk?
It is $2.
That is cheap.
Yes, it is a good price.
Do you need sugar?
No, I don't need sugar.
I need sugar for tea.
Okay, let's buy it.
Are you ready to pay?
Yes, let's go to the cashier.
Do you pay by cash or card?
I pay by card.
I will pay with cash.
Okay, shopping is finished.
Part 4 at home or free time. What do you do in the afternoon?
I usually rest.
Do you take a nap?
Yes, sometimes.
I read a book in the afternoon.
That is good for the mind.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV in the evening.
What do you watch?
I watch news and movies.
I watch cartoons.
Cartoons are fun.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play games on my phone.
I play football outside.
That is healthy.
Yes, I like sports.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen every day.
What music do you like?
I like pop music.
I like classical music.
Do you sing?
No, but I like singing.
I sometimes sing at home.
That is fun.
Do you cook in the evening?
Yes, I cook dinner.
What do you cook?
I cook rice and vegetables.
I cook pasta.
Pasta is delicious.
Yes, I like it very much.
Do you eat with your family?
Yes, always with my family.
That is nice.
Part 5 evening or night. What do you do after dinner?
I watch TV with my family.
I read a book after dinner.
Do you drink tea at night?
Yes, I drink tea.
I drink milk at night.
Milk is healthy.
Yes, it helps me sleep.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well.
I sometimes sleep late.
Why do you sleep late?
Because I watch movies.
I also watch movies at night.
Movies are fun.
Yes, but too late is not good.
You are right.
Do you dream at night?
Yes, sometimes I dream.
Are your dreams happy?
Yes, usually happy dreams.
That is good.
Do you wake up in the night?
No, I sleep all night.
I wake up sometimes.
Maybe drink less tea.
Yes, maybe.
Do you use your phone before sleep?
Yes, I use it a little.
I also use my phone.
But not too much.
Yes, too much is bad.
Right. Good sleep is important.
Yes, very important.
Okay, it is late now.
Yes, let's sleep.
Good night.
Good night. Sweet dreams. Small talk, weekend, weather, or friends. What will you do on the weekend?
I will visit my friend.
That is nice.
Yes, we will eat together.
I will go shopping on the weekend.
Good. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like it.
Do you go with family?
Yes, I go with my sister.
That is fun.
What is the weather today?
It is sunny.
I like sunny days.
I like rainy days.
Why do you like rain?
Because it is calm and cool.
Do you play outside in the rain?
No, I stay inside.
I sometimes walk in the rain.
That is fun.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
That is nice.
Do you have friends too?
Yes, I have good friends.
Do you meet them often?
Yes, on weekends.
What do you do together?
We play games and talk.
That is fun.
Yes, I enjoy it.
Friends are important.